And while I've got you, I'm interested to see where you guys are watching from. So if you've got a spare moment, just pop down in the comments and write your town and country and say g'day. G'day guys, today Bendigo Hydroblasting is going to clean up this blower from a 671 Jimmy, and it's going on a 350 CHEV. So we're going to knock that paint off in the dry blaster, and then we're going to wet blast the whole thing and make it look pretty. So first things first, it goes into this cabinet. I'm going to use this bit of garnet. We're going to knock all that black paint off. And here's a quick look at the blower casing depainted. We'll unpaint these bits next, and then we'll look at chucking them in the wet blasting cabinet and make them look new again. Well, the four parts there have all been dry blasted, had all the paint removed from them. So now we'll pop them over in this big machine here and give them a show-winning surface finish. And for those that are new here, 2 litres a second of water glass slurry comes out of that with 80 pound of air behind it. All the pieces are done and looking very nice. What we might do is put the end caps on it and just mock it up and pop it out in the sunlight and see how it looks in daylight. Early burly, look at that. There she is in the sunlight. Doesn't that look nice? I bet you wouldn't mind that sitting on the top of your 350 CHEV. And there's another successful outcome from Bendigo Hydroblasting, guys. And while I've got you, I'm interested to see where you guys are watching from. So if you've got a spare moment, just pop down in the comments and write your town and country and say g'day. And anyhow, thanks for tuning in. If you're a bit bored and you want to see some of my other stuff, check out one of those videos. Sure to keep you entertained. And I'll catch you in the next video.